Hybond Machine Systems, growing success with David Austin Roses. For more than 60 years, David Austin Roses have been market leaders, famed for breeding and growing their award-winning beautiful roses in Shropshire. Originally a family mail order business and now a fully blown online operation, they deliver products gift box packaged to your doorstep across the UK and beyond. To protect the precious plants, the boxes have to be strong and exactly the right size. Processing more than 3,000 boxes per shift, they were keen to speed up the process and remove the hazard of stapling from the packaging line. In need of an effective carton bonding solution, David Austin Roses approached Hybond, the adhesive specialists. The brief was: speed up the packaging line, remove the stapling process, handle varied heights of boxes, cater for random spacing of boxes. Hybond Machine Systems envisaged a fully automated packaging line, managed by a programmable logic controller, or PLC, which would drive robotic functions, including box measurement, gluing and sealing. The David Austin assembly team members add a rose to each gift box and place the box unsealed onto the conveyor line. The box height and spacing between boxes continually varies. Then the PLC takes over. Box separation is precisely set. Box height is scanned. The robot opens the box flap. The glue gun applies adhesive. The robot closes the flap, seals and compresses the joint, and moves the box into the dispatch area. The bespoke line was installed and commissioned on time and within budget. It's been proven capable of processing the 3,000 boxes required per shift. The line has built-in extra capacity of approximately 50%. And each operator saves around 20 seconds of manual labour per gift box. David Austin Roses, growing success with Hybond Machine Systems.